On with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, I'm Mike Emmerich. This evening, we bring you two teams matched up as they've been so many times before. Teams are just about ready. Eddie, what do you think?
This is the game you mark on your calendar with a big red circle with a thick, fat marker. The fans are pumped and the players are ready to rock. Let's get it on.
It's a wonderful night for hockey. Frölunda's got the puck, and they get to make the first play. Has it back deep. Onside. Front of the net. Score! Didn't take long for the home team, did it?
You always have to know where the puck is on the ice. Be ready, and he one-timed it in.
His technique is good. The butterfly is really solid. He just gets beaten with a better shot here.
You always hope if you're paying the price of admission as a home fan that your team scores first. In this case, it has.
So far, they got their money's worth early in this game.
Scored by number 40, assisted by number 13. Time of the
Continues
goal.
through the neutral zone.
Seconds.
Pitching it to Lundqvist. Good stick presence.
Linköping's forced another turnover in this very close game.
Carried right through at center. Wrist shot. You could almost count that one, but no. Puck covered, whistle blown.
One time or 10 times, you're playing with fire when you give up odd man rushes.
Over 3 minutes have elapsed here in the first. Only one goal hanging on the board so far. So it's 1-0. And he circles back. Out of their own end, hanging on to it. You don't take a knee in hockey, just football. He lost it. Took it in the corner and took a look too. On to Lundqvist. Two sticks together, it goes to the offense. Frölunda's continuing on through center ice. And play stopped because of an offside. And they won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. A return back. And snap to Roy. From the outside. Score! He got the post with that one.
And so sometimes you just get beat, and this is a clean shot that beats him off the post and in.
Linköping's won that faceoff and possession established.
Assisted by number 8.
Slid to Roy.
And by number 20.
And he steps across the line. Chooses the corner for this. Flings it, paddled aside. Wonderful work and goal. Linköping's in possession as they travel up the wing. Shoots one, missed it high.
This shot comes from a long way out.
He gains the zone. Slien shooter.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Oh, wonderful play. And snapped up. That shot came from nowhere. Oh, another save. Poked away. Looks for room. What control. What's going on? They score! It's only a one-goal game now.
Hjalmarsson's body position was key to be able to snap this one home.
Gustafsson's caught in a little bit of an awkward position here. He's not able to get his hands up to the shot. It hits the crossbar and goes in.
Frölunda scored to get this game back to within 1 for them. First period still with lots of time. Let's see if they can tie it. Solid win at center ice. Now what? And in flight over the line. And possession has changed. Brilliant move on that pass. Oh, what a stop.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Gets in and he'll look over his options. Got that pass off the boards. Fires. Oh, what a terrific save in close. Great take, dangerous area. Takes it right back. Loose puck, good defensive denial. Trying the probe up the wing. Got it in his own end. Frölunda's on the move up the boards. And he picks it up. Loose puck, the defense got in the way there. He's got that pass and can look ahead. Right to the point. That puck came free. Could have been handled better. Good shooting place. Outstanding glove save. Linköping's continuing on up the wing. Save! Lets it go. Block that one. Period number 1 has ended. Both teams connected. The Riflemen have prevailed at least through 1 period. We'll see about 2. These 2 teams are separated by just a goal.
Please don't throw any objects on or towards the playing surface at any time during the game. The throwing of any object is grounds for
Linköping's goaltender has made a difference in this game. His team has gotten the goals, and he has made saves like this. More in a moment. We have 20 minutes down. We have lots of time still to go. What are your thoughts so far, Edzo?
Frölunda's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
It's an onside play. A shot. Terrific point-blank save.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Lost it, but got it back. Freezes play. Zone win. With it now. Puck fired down. Decision made. Defenders first. Icing. Contest thus far with the score 2-1. Oh, and he missed the net. Breakaway. Frölunda's controlling play now in the defensive zone. Moves it. He's in on goal. Frölunda's in their own end and controlling play now.
I'd like to say that I think this game is going to open up and there's going to be all kinds of chances all over the place, but both teams have really adopted a never give an inch style of play. I think this is tight checking right down to the final horn.
Frölunda setting things up in center.
Roy's dynamic play is one reason he's expected to.
That's a great save. Gets across, looks over his options. Breakaway! Laid on to Roy. Shoots wide. What a chance.
You keep going to that area, you're going to get lots of those chances. Unfortunately, he missed the net.
And now it's directed to Hjalmarsson. Up the wing, he still has possession and moves ahead. Taken over again. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. Gets in. What'll he do? Score! No goal. No goal. It appears to have been kicked in.
The referee waved that one off. I'm not too sure about that call. They're going to go upstairs and take another look, and we will too.
Fans start to celebrate, Doc. The review's completed. The goal is deemed a good one.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Oh, that's a nice cut pass. Let's see what happens.
Linköping's forced another turnover in this very close game.
11 minutes, 38
Using the point, he's got it. Fires. Great opportunity denied. He takes that one right ahead. Good. Frölunda's controlling play now at center ice. On the outside, a shot. Outstanding save. Oh, they had a great chance. Puck loose, now picked up. Pitching this one to Carlson. No luck getting through. Puck loose. Linköping's lugging it up the wing. Not a free puck now. Great shooting lane. Score! 2 straight goals.
If you want to isolate a defender, you got to get people moving over to the puck carrier to give him more options. That's exactly what happened on this play.
Enzo, that zips right on by him. He doesn't get much of this at all.
Linköping's lead is already enormous. Will they just sit on this now and get the horn at the end of the second? They win the draw and will now set up an attack.
Emil Silvergard, assisted by number 12, Sebastian Kaya. Time of the goal, 17 minutes, 14 seconds.
Shot down the ice. Icing. Face-off win here. Slot shot. Terrific save. Terrific opportunity.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Clean win on the draw. The second period has been played, and that's the fun part. We now look forward to the third.
Join our fan club and receive a membership card, discounts on team merchandise, and team ringtones, as well as email notifications on upcoming promotions.
Frölunda's goaltender has had one of those nights, and so this score is lopsided, and we will return after he gets a rest and these words. We are entering the third period. Based on the first two, what are you expecting to happen?
Linköping's coaching staff, Doc, told us before the game they want to get off to a good start, and they have in a lot of areas, especially on the scoreboard. They are well in control of this game. Let's see how they play it the last 20.
They can't find the target.
From that position on the ice, he's got to hit the net. Make the goalie make a save.
Takes that pass at center, see if we can move something. Gains the zone. Lost that puck, he was knocked down to a knee. Shoots. The puck now possessed by Lundqvist. Linköping's on the move in neutral ice. Perfect centering pass. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near him.
Been a long time since this wasn't the garden variety stop for a goalie. Down in the butterfly, turned aside.
Defensive zone. Strong play, good reach. Goes back deep for it. Frölunda's moving the puck up the wing. Takes that pass that was just slipped ahead to him. Boy, stick-to-stick artistry there. He's got it and moves ahead. Pass comes to him from the crease. And he iced the puck.
He learns the butterfly when they're a young kid. Takes away the bottom of the net.
A little under 9 minutes skated here in the third. A 3-goal edge. On the big board, it says 4-1. To the point it comes. That one's deflected. Into the end of attack. Fires a shot. Out in front, a shot. Frölunda's in possession and moving up the wing. Heading down low. Oh, the pass just didn't work. Dominance right now. Hangs on to it. A shot. Oh, off target. Terrific shot. His puck locked off by Hjalmarsson. Puts it back. Shoots. The shot is off. Got to clear it. Up the wing, still with possession and with hope. And they're watching very carefully. That is an offside.
There's not many saves easier than this for the goaltender. He gets his blocker on it. He's in good position, and he deflects this away.
And they've won the faceoff. Gets in, looks over his options here. Big chance here. Outstanding save. We were looking for a red light there. Surprise. And it's a good pickup. He banks a pass ahead. Hammered. A terrific scoring chance denied. Frölunda setting things up at center. Trying to go to Carlson. The stick can break up a play, and it just is in their own end and controlling the play. Nicely into the zone. Good place to shoot from.
Glove save. He showed him the glove, and he took it away.
So we're into the last minute. All is academic here. A hammer shot from the point. Linköping's in their own end, hoping to make a play to center. Puts one on. Great poke check. One-timer. Just couldn't find the
Chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
This is overwhelming. 25 seconds remaining. To the last 22. Gives it on a cross from the point. Terrific save with no reaction time whatsoever.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Hanging on to it up the wing. Lets it go. The game is over.
I know what that's like, Doc, being on the end of some bad games, some bad efforts. I'm not looking forward to practice tomorrow.
So ends another game and another telecast. We hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying good night.